In this video, let's see how you can get an eSIM online for your new Jio number or port your existing number via self-KYC using the secure and trusted My Jio app. Before initiating the self-KYC request for a Jio SIM connection, please ensure you have your Aadhaar details and the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar and an eSIM compatible device. To find the EID and IMEI, dial *#06# on your eSIM device. The 32-digit EID and 15-digit IMEI will appear as shown in the video. Keep these details handy to activate your Jio eSIM. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Open the My Jio app on your mobile. If you do not have the app installed, then install the same from Play Store or App Store and log in using any alternate number. Enter OTP. Now tap on Get Jio SIM. Enter the mobile number and PIN code and then tap on Generate OTP. Here, tap on Pay Now. Select the appropriate option to complete your payment. Please note that the Jio Starter Pack will be purchased once the payment is processed successfully. To proceed, tap on Redeem Starter Pack. Now, enter the mobile number, name and enter delivery PIN code. Enter the OTP and tap on Submit. Here, enter Aadhaar number or virtual ID and tap on I agree followed by Proceed. Enter the OTP received on your Aadhaar linked mobile number and tap on Submit. Tap on Continue. Step 2. Tap on Capture and take a live photo. Tap on the camera icon and save the captured image. Now tap on Capture and take a live video. Record a 3-second video and tap on this icon to save the captured video. Tap on Continue. Step 3. Now select the SIM type and tap on Enter eSIM Details. Here, enter the EID number, IMEI number of the device and the email ID. Then tap on Select. Next, tap on Join Jio with existing number or new number. And then scroll down. Here, enter details of your alternate number. Select the appropriate option and then tap on Continue. Review your details and tap on Checkbox. Then tap on Proceed. Enter the OTP received on your alternate mobile number and tap on Submit. Here, tap on Redeem Voucher if you have a Jio Starter Pack. Enter the mobile number linked to your Jio Starter Pack and tap on Generate OTP. Enter OTP and then tap on Verify. Please note that the order will be placed once the voucher is successfully redeemed. Alternatively, you can tap on Pay Now. Select the appropriate payment option and complete the payment. Please note the order will be placed after the payment has been processed successfully. Now you need to configure the eSIM on your device. Please ensure that your eSIM device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. If you have provided eSIM details of Apple or Samsung devices, you will receive an eSIM profile notification on your device as shown in the video. On your eSIM device, tap on the notification. Tap on Install Data Plan. Then tap on Continue. Please wait while the selected data plan addition is in progress. It will take few seconds. Your Jio eSIM will get successfully activated and will reflect under Mobile Data for Apple and under SIM Manager for Samsung. In case you are using any other eSIM device or have dismissed the eSIM device notification, you can install the eSIM profile using the eSIM profile QR code process. Please ensure that your eSIM device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot during this process. Let's start with the eSIM profile configuration using the QR code steps. Go to jio.com on the browser and tap on the search icon. Type Track eSIM Request and hit Search. Tap on Track eSIM Request. Enter the ORN number sent to your alternate number. Tap on Proceed. An OTP will be sent to your alternate number. Enter the OTP for authentication and tap on Submit. After sharing the OTP, you will find a QR code in the Download eSIM Profile section. Tap on Show QR Code. Now, go to Scan QR option as per your eSIM device and scan the QR code and tap on Continue or Proceed to configure the eSIM. Please wait while the eSIM addition is in progress. It will take few seconds. Please make sure you have eSIM line turned on to use the services. For any assistance with eSIM activation, please call us on 1800-894-9999 for any non-Jio number. Please make sure that you never select Delete eSIM or Remove Data Plan, as this will permanently delete the eSIM profile from your device and you will not be able to use any Jio services. If you have unknowingly removed any data plan, then please visit your nearest Jio store with your Aadhaar details or any proof of identity to place a request for eSIM. Thank you.